دكتور مصطفى كان
أنا أعرف اللغة العربية ولكن محادثة في المشكلة.
ولكن المحادثة
في المشكلة.
ممكن جامعة أيضا تستفيد من هذا الشيء إن شاء الله.
كمالين.
يعطيك كمال. دكتور كمالين.
Such organizations that is make collaboration between universities and connect people, in fact, to because students now in universities, they will be the leaders afterwards. So if we have this mix between people, then I think that we have more cooperation in future, inshallah. Unfortunately, that we were badly affected by this war. Most of our universities were demolished and bombed. But after a while, we managed, in fact, to resume our activities through online teaching. Now, after this fragile ceasefire, I would say that the things is a bit better. We are trying to accommodate our students in places, in shelters, everywhere that we can have face-to-face teaching. Now, about 1/3 of our students, they are studying face-to-face, and we resume some other activities as well regarding research, regarding internship, regarding community service. So things are improving a bit. In fact, we ask all the academia all over the world that to support us. Historically, Turkey have done a lot, in fact, for Palestine, for Gaza. In fact, they built in Islamic University of Gaza, in fact, educational hospital, and it is there. We have so many help from Turkey. Right now, because the situation is somehow difficult, so they are helping people, Palestinian people, students who are here in Turkey, and some of them who were in Egypt.
يعطيك كمال. دكتور كمالين.